once.
No moves.
What? For once? No moves.
Yeah, for once. Finally. No more moves.
Okay.
Mommy.
Okay. Mom, you got the best burrito in the world.
A box.
Well, it's
Yep.
not a beer making kit.
Oh, not a beer making kit?
Oh, man.
Reason.
Mom,
Did you want,
was
did
like,
you want the
oh,
knife?
Hey, Maya, look, get in the box.
Did you ever make that beer? Let's make
There's a
it
box.
yet.
We have a box cutter.
Mom, you even
She still hasn't
used it yet?
No, Mom
That's-
hasn't even opened it.
That's treason, Mom.
She hasn't even opened it.
Jordan, watch out.
She's been a little busy.
What is this?
Get your box.
What is it?
Open the bag.
It's a bag. You got the best bag in the
Oh, I
world.
totally forgot. Never mind. After
What is it? What is it? I don't know what that. What is it?
Oh,
Jordan, I can't see.
Nice.
Whoa.
Yep, that's what we got.
Mom,
Really cool.
Calm down,
That's
Jordan.
what we got.
That's awesome.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Mom, what is it?
That is
It's a
nice.
Wonder Woman jacket. Put
Oh,
it
yeah.
on.
Nice leather jacket.
Leather.
That looks awesome.
It's got stars on the
Nice.
sleeves.
Okay, that's awesome.
And there's a second one.
Maya, Dodo needs a break.
Right, a second
Dodo.
one. Just in case.
Dodo needs a break.
Dodo.
Thank
Dodo
you.
needs a
She
break.
loves Dodo so
Huh?
much. That's awesome.
Yep.
The
Can't
Dodo
you see
needs-
Mom's
Dodo.
face? She's gleaming.
She's glowing.
Maya, Dodo needs a break.
Mom, why would you smell
Did you
it?
just smell it?
Why would you smell
It
it?
smells leather.
Jacket. Smells good.
I still
Thank
need
you.
to get a leather jacket.
Okay, now it's your turn. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Larry's turn.
Alrighty.
Awesome.
It's a Larry Bear.
Okay,
Okay,